In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a button in your WordPress menu. Adding a button in the header navigation menu lets you create a more noticeable call to action. It can get more clicks to your most important pages and create a better user experience by helping your visitors take action. To do this, back in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Menu. Now, when I expand a menu item, there's no option to add additional CSS here. So to enable that, go to Screen Options and enable the CSS class option. Now you can add CSS class here, so just enter the CSS class here. Then click on Save Menu. Now that we've added our own custom CSS class to the menu item, we can design it by adding our own custom CSS code. So, go to the Theme Customizer, then click here on Additional CSS, and add this code here. As you can see in the preview, the changes take effect in the preview. You can change the background color from here too. This is how you can add a button in your WordPress menu. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.